G'day, here's a little help. This vehicle was brought in with the initial diagnosis of a poor battery or a starter motor failing. I also noticed when I drove it in the instrument cluster, a lot of the lights were flickering. So I did a scan on the system and found that most of the computers had voltage codes in them. So one of my first things when I have an issue with this is to do a voltage drop test. So I utilise our battery tester because it has a large analog voltmeter on the display, and I can see that from halfway across the workshop. This is how I do a voltage drop test. You connect one lead of the meter to earth, so the voltage is lazy, so it'll go through the meter rather than through earth. Here's the meter. Connect the other end to a good earth. This happens to be the inlet manifold, which gives us a good ground. Crank the engine and see what the meter does. When you crank the engine, this goes to the negative. That's pulling voltage to the negative, and to the positive 3 volts. That's alternator charge. That's quite a heavy voltage drop. Now to locate this earth issue, do a wriggle test. Grab hold of the earth cable where it connects to the engine running, and wriggle the cable. Sorry about the image, but you can see the voltage goes up and down as I wriggle the cable. This is what I found. Down on the side of the block, this earth cable has had a poor contact. I'll get a bit of a look at the contact. Just so you can see a burn mark where it's been arcing. That's where our problem's been. So we look around the corner, have a look where it's been bolted up to the block. Once we get down to that point, you can see there's the corrosion. That's had very poor contact. So remove the bolt. This is a bolt that I've taken out, and even on this bolt you can see there's arcing on the edge of the bolt, just corresponding to the earth cable. So we give that a buff on the wheel, give some emery paper, give the cable a good clean. It's a bit hard to get reach down here, a little difficult to see. So I'll turn that cable over so you can see it. That side I've cleaned up, give it a bit of a twist, and the opposite side is now nice and clean. So while we're down there, get the emery paper at the earth contact point, get back around the corner again, a bit hard to see. There it is in the background. Cleaned that block surface up nice and clean. Replace the bolt, redo the test. Crank the engine, watch the meter, and the meter should drop marginally, maybe half a volt. Alternator charge, maybe half a volt. Rectified. Hope this helps. Share it with your friends. Thank you.